In a recent development, former Kaduna State Governor El-Rufai recently accused the National Security Advisor (NSA) Ribadu of orchestrating a smear campaign against him, alleging that the move is tied to Ribadu's 2031 presidential ambitions. Speaking in an interview with Arise TV on Monday, El-Rufai claimed that Ribadu, in collaboration with Kaduna State Governor obasanjo and the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC), is working to tarnish his reputation. NaijaNews reports that the former governor alleged that Ribadu is spearheading efforts to paint him in a bad light, suggesting that the NSA sees him as a political threat.
This project of destroying Nasir El-Rufai is no Ribadu's conception. He's the architect and he's the builder of that project, and he's the one working with obasanjo to implement it. So far, it has been frustrating for them because they have not been able to find anything.
El-Rufai alleged that Ribadu was working to eliminate northern politicians to pave way for his supposed ambition. In response to El-Rufai's allegation, Ribadu released a statement the same day, refuting claims and stressing that he had never spoken negatively about the former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai and had no intention of doing so now. It's worth noting that El-Rufai accused Ribadu of nurturing a presidential ambition for 2031. Ribadu's statement reads, "My attention has been drawn to the interview granted by Malam Nasir El-Rufai, the immediate past governor of Kaduna State, on Monday evening. If my silence will risk being construed as consent, I would have ignored him. I'm too preoccupied with my current assignment as to get into a media fight with Nasir El-Rufai or anyone else. Despite the incessant baiting and attacks, I've never spoken ill of Nasir on record anywhere. This is out of my respect for our past association and our respective families. I would not start today." As Ribadu completes his statement, he however urged the public to disregard El-Rufai's statement against him. However, NaijaNews reports that Ribadu, a former chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), emphasized that his focus remains on serving the country. We will continue to monitor this developing story. For more news updates, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.